beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marshalee, and this channel is all things fashion, luxury, and self-care. In today's video, I want to share with you one of my most worn bags, and I have done a review on this bag a few months ago, and I wanted to share what's in my work bag. And I know you guys love watching these videos, so I was like, okay, since I did a review on this bag already gave all the details, so now I can do what's in my bag and technically what's in my work bag. So this is the bag, and like I said, I already did a review on it, and right now it is pretty heavy because I made sure that I have everything that I take to work in here. So I'm gonna go through everything that's in my bag, and you guys make sure you thumbs up the video, make a comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and enjoy the show. I decided that I'm going to switch from that side of the room to this side of the room. As you can see, I have like a smaller chair that I use, and that's just not big enough for me to put my bag and then for me to sit next to it. And then I was trying to hold my bag on my lap, but that wasn't working either. Okay, so let's get into this video. The first compartment that I'm gonna go with is the outside compartment. So as you can see here, and a little bit up more close is, there we go. First is my laptop. I don't bring this to work every single day with me, but I do bring it probably 2 to 3 times a week. This is my MacBook. I love this computer so much. It's probably just maybe 2 years old now, so it's still fairly new to me. I love it. I got this case from Amazon. It's really good quality for sure. I do have my cell phone in here, but I don't usually keep my cell phone in here. This cell phone is the 16 Pro, but anyway, I usually have this in my hand, but if I do keep this in my bag, it is at this front compartment where I can just really go in and grab it really quick. So that is what's in the front compartment. Now in the middle compartment, in this one, you can see that I have my planners. Now if I'm taking lunch with me to work, I would have my planners on this side. So I usually put this one on this side here. Oh, my phone is there. Usually put it here on that side, and then I will either put this on this side here, or if it can fit in the center, usually it can with the food, I'll just stick it there. But yeah, most of the time I just prefer to leave it here because I don't want anything to spill or anything like that on it. And honestly, this bag, you technically don't have to see everything that I have in here, but it's not necessarily organized right now, so that's why everything is like sticking out. But anyway, so I'm gonna put these planners back in here. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on the sofa. So in the middle compartment that I just showed you, I have this planner, and it's by Bando. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but this is a 17-month planner, and I got this from Barnes & Noble's. This is my second year using this planner. I absolutely love this planner. I mean, look how colorful it is. You want a planner that's gonna keep you dedicated and motivated to your goals and ambitions and plans? Definitely try this. It has like tons of stickers. So if you like planning and adding stickers to your calendars and to your planners, I think that this planner will be really good. It even has a birth control chart right there. Let's see, holidays. It has a list of holidays. I'm not gonna go through this whole planner, but it's really nice, and you see how colorful it is. I love it. That's one of the reasons why I got it. And of course, there's plenty of space for me to write. And yeah, I'm loving this planner. So that's that. And then, oh, and this planner is for my daily activities, things that I want to do in my personal life. I do jot down some stuff for YouTube on this as well, but usually what I want to do for the month in my personal life and my goals. And then this one is specifically for my YouTube channel. So I would you know, put my goals here, what kind of videos I want to create, because I used to not write them down and it was fine doing that, but after a while it's like, oh, I thought about this video. What was that again I wanted to do? So now I just write them down, and then in the back there's like tons of parts for notes and pages for notes. So I'm really loving this, and I also got this from Barnes & Nobles, and this is by Paper Source. All right, so next is, this is my beauty pouch. Now, I don't like this beauty pouch. I got it from Target. The reason why I don't like it is because it opens from one end all the way to the next. So sometimes I'm rushing and I totally forget to close it, or I'll just close it like halfway, and then I'll put it in my bag, and then I go to get stuff out of this and everything is just all in my bag, and I hate that. So I'm gonna get a new one, and I like the pouches that the zipper, you know, there's no zipper here, just at the top. So that's my preference. But anyway, I'm gonna go through this. So this is a hair scrunchie, and scrunchies are just better to use on your hair. So I'm using scrunchies. I have a brush in here. I usually have a comb, but this is a new brush, so I added that in here. Another scrunchie. I usually have these two because these are the main colors that I wear on like a day-to-day basis. Neutrals, beige, tans, browns, things of that sort. And then I have my Visine for red eyes, for moisture, because I wear contact lens. And then I have this Olaplex bonding oil. So this is my favorite oil for when I straighten my hair, which is weekly, bi-weekly, and I try to use this a few times a week. I love it. I do bring it with me just in case I need to like touch up, especially in the colder months. And then this is my Aquaphora healing ointment. I really love this. It's multi-purpose. I use it on my hands, on my lips, and it's not greasy at all. So I love that, and a little goes a long way with this one. And then my trusty Chanel compact mirror. So you just open it up, and then there's a mirror inside of that. I'm really loving this Chanel compact mirror. I take this everywhere I go, not just to work. And usually what I do is I'll just transfer my beauty bags into another bag once it can fit, or just take out the things that I need. I do have this little perfume. I love to carry perfumes with me. This one is Blouse by YSL. The YSL Libre perfume is also one of my favorite perfumes. I don't have it in stock right now, but I'm thinking that this is also going to be a really good perfume because I love the smell, and you can see I'm almost done using it. I absolutely love this perfume. It smells so good, and for some reason it reminds me of something in when I was younger, but I can't put my hand on it. Maybe someone that I knew, maybe a relative or family member wore this perfume, or something similar to it, but it smells really good. I don't take a lot with me, and as far as when it goes to makeup, I don't wear a lot of makeup to work. I wear like the kind of no makeup look where you don't really need to touch up, that kind of thing. Then I have this pouch. Now you probably would have seen this pouch in one of my other bag, what's in my bag videos, because I think this is like my third bag video at this point. Anyway, I bought some stuff from Chanel, some beauty products, and I got this little pouch. And then of course I walk around with my mascara, Chanel mascara. I have like the travel size, and this mascara smells so good. Really great mascara. Sometimes when I don't wear makeup, I always wear mascara, always, because I feel like mascara gives you, it makes you look awake, and it gives you that bold look. It's like you're not trying too hard, that kind of look when you just wear mascara alone. And then I have the Chanel Mademoiselle travel size, and I haven't used it yet, but I will. Looking forward to that. All right, and then I also have the bigger size Mademoiselle perfume, my all-time favorite one. And then this is a nasal spray that I take. I have sinus, so you know, gotta get that fixed. Summer Eve's feminine wipes. I like having those in my bag. I always have at least one sunglasses in my bag, one in my car and one in my office, and then obviously the rest at home. I just love wearing sunglasses. I always have to have one, and it's not about just the fashion. Obviously that's the main goal, is the fashion. You know, it looks really good. Your outfits, accessorizing your outfits with sunglasses is definitely a look, a vibe, and I love it. But also to protect my under eyes from the sun. Your under eyes is very delicate, and it's easy to get like sun damage, sunburn, or most importantly that happens with the sun is fine lines and wrinkles. So you don't want that. You don't want to have dark under eyes as well. The sun can do that as well. So I wear my sunglasses. I have them everywhere, and then I have my computer charger for my laptop. Sometimes I do keep it in this compartment where the laptop is. It is convenient to just drop it in here. Let's see what else I have. Oh, okay, I always have spare earrings with me, always, because I usually have these two earrings in my ears at all times, unless I'm literally like doing a CT scan or surgery. Other than that, I always have these on. But sometimes, and I leave them in there because sometimes I do forget to put these on, or earrings here, and then I'll still have kind of like a little decoration going on with my ears, so I like that. But sometimes where I really want to wear earrings and then I forget them at home, and then I always have spare in my bag. I try to have a neutral one where it can go with any outfit. So usually white can go with anything, and bronze a little bit kind of go with anything. So I keep that in here. And real quick, a backstory on this pouch. So I remember walking down Manhattan after work, and I was like, you know what? I've lived in New York City for forever, and I was like, you know, let me go into this store. So this is a store that has like all the t-shirts that says I love New York, pouches like this that says I love New York, or they have like the Statue of Liberty statue and everything that says I love New York. If you've been to New York or you live in New York, you know what I'm talking about. There's a store and you go in and everything says New York, or everything is about New York. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be a tourist today, and I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna buy something. And I didn't know what I wanted, but then when I saw this, I was like, you know what? I do need a pouch. Because at that time I felt like I was not as organized as I am now with my pocketbooks. So I was like, you know what? I need another pouch so I can put other things in there besides beauty products, because I wanted to separate my beauty products. So I went and I bought this, and I really love it. You know, this goes with everything, any kind of bag, honestly. Or, you know, the color is like beige and it has black writing, and it has touches of pinks on here, and it has a Statue of Liberty, the Chrysler Building, Empire State Building on here. So and a stamp. It's really cute. I love it. So, and I've had this pouch for about, I'm gonna say probably 3 years now, and it's going strong. I use it every single day, and I switch it from one bag to the other. It's really good. If you're walking past that store, if you go to New York for a vacation or whatever, check out that store and pick up something from there. They have good quality stuff. So it's interesting because now I don't live in New York anymore, but I still have this, and I feel like now it's a sentimental feeling, like, oh, I'm so happy that I did go in and pick this pouch up, because now I'm like, oh, I actually have something that says New York on it. Because when you're a New Yorker, which I am, you don't do that, because you're like, you already live there, you see it every day. You're not necessarily gonna buy a t-shirt or a pouch that says New York. But who knew that 3 years later I was actually going to move out of New York, and I didn't know that at that point. And yeah, so I no longer live in New York City or New York in general. So I'm just rethinking about that, like, huh, that's so interesting. But now I have this pouch that says New York, and like I said, usually you just don't pick up stuff that says New York on there if you live in New York. At least I didn't. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do that. And now 3 years later, I moved out of New York and I moved to the South. So I'm so happy that I picked up this little pouch. I have my Coach wallet. So this is like my everyday wallet. So I'm just gonna hold it like this because I do have my cards in here. So it's a very tiny, compact wallet. Nothing much. I am actually going to upgrade my wallet. Probably going to get another Coach wallet. I love Coach wallets, and I don't want a super expensive wallet just to wear every single day. Maybe in the future, but for now, I don't want that. I absolutely love it. I have my pencil slash pen case and probably a sharpener, eraser in here. So this is the cutest case ever. This is a case from Kate Spade, and I saw this at Barnes & Noble's and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. I really love all the decor on there. It has like the nail polish, it has art, a tuxedo, a ring. Yeah, so I think that's really cute. And then I like the shape of it as well. And then I have all these cute little, so these pencils came in here. I'm probably not going to use those. Oops. And then this pen I bought. So I love the ink pens, my favorite. And then I have like tons of colors. I like to use different colors basically in my planner. And then I have these cute little fancy pens as well. I love them. They are just black. I think they're black, black or blue, but they're super pretty and sleek. And I got these from Barnes & Noble's. I really love that. So they're not ink pens, but they write lovely. And then I have this other color as well. So that's really cute. And that's that. And then, do I have anything else? Nope. That's it. So that's basically what I carry every day in my work bag. Sometimes besides my lunch, I do carry a coffee cup, and I will just like kind of like sit it right here. Sometimes I bring like a water bottle, and I'll either hold it in my hand or sit it right in the middle as well. But overall, this bag is super chic. I absolutely love it. I'm not going to talk too much about it because I talk a lot about this bag on my Instagram as well. And I already did a bag review, detailed bag review on this channel for this bag. So if you want more details on this bag besides what's in it, you can go ahead and check out that. I will link that in the description box below so you can watch that video. And obviously this is a Coach bag, and I will link this bag as well if you want to go ahead and pick this bag up for yourself or just check it out. And yeah, that's it. I really enjoyed filming this video, sharing with you guys what I take to work, what's the important things for me, important items. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.